Hello, beautiful people. This is Nezie coming to you from Jamaican Cuisine. We're still in quarantine. Most of us are. A lot of people still don't take this thing seriously because I was out running errands today. I went to UPS and I went to the pharmacy, and just about everyone was moving around as there's no care in the world with no mask on. I'm really amazed. But I want us to continue to pray. Continue to pray. Pray for each other. Pray for our children, our family, our friends. Even pray for the ones who don't like you. Still pray for them. And ask God for deliverance. Okay, let us continue to, as we wait this out, let us continue to practice proper hygiene, washing your hand with soap. If you have sanitizer, be generous with your sanitizer. And when you cough or sneeze or yawn, you make sure you do it in your hand or, in your clothes or in your arm, but not just out there. While we wait, hopefully soon and very soon, CDC or somebody will say we have a cure. I want to talk about, as I said, there were some other issues that I wanted to address, and one of them is bully. Now, I have been bullied all my life. I am 60 something now, and I remember the first time I was bullied at school. Maybe I was about 7 years old, and all my life I have been bullied. Bullied at work, bullied while I was in school, bullied during my marriage. Cut that. No, for real, I was bullied in my marriage. Bullied all my life. In my jobs, I've had many jobs. Because as you know, Jamaicans, we have many jobs. Bullied in my jobs. The worst part of being bullied was not having someone to talk to. In fact, the people who you would have thought you can go to with your questions and concerns and complaints, they are the ones who tell you, I don't want to hear it. Try to get along with people. Oh, it's you again, and all that. So it kind of shove you in a corner where it's like, if you can't take the heat, get out the kitchen or deal with it yourself. And for many, many years, I tried to deal with it myself. Some of the ways was not really healthy, but I tried. And I reached a point in my life where it's like, this seemed like it was going to destroy me. But many years ago, I came up with a solution. I began to pray more and just worship God and just ask for a way out. Asking for help to help me to cope with this issue of being bullied. And I remembered, I'm not going to say I got a vision, but one day I woke up and I had a new plan. The people who bullied me, I realized something is wrong, because bullying is not a normal behavior. So what I realized is that when someone bullies you, they have issues they can't even cope with. They're unhappy. They have big issues. I mean, I don't want to say it's up here, but they have big issues. They're so unhappy. It's a behavior, and a behavior they cannot cope with, so they project it on somebody else. They are unhappy, so I pray for them. It didn't work 100% of the time, but a lot of time it worked. I grew to pray for them, to love them, to listen to their complaints and concerns, and that's what saved me, literally. So I'm talking to all of you out there who are being bullied. The bullies, what you can do, kill them with kindness. Even when they look like a scarecrow, tell them how beautiful they are, how beautiful they look. Now, bully, in my opinion, I think bully starts at home. Parents, teachers, employers, they plant the seed for bullying. Well, I'm hoping to speak some more and this bullying because, as I said, I wouldn't say I am passionate about bullying, but I'm passionate about speaking about bullying, and hopefully we can reach a resolution because too many lives have been destroyed by someone's carelessness and inhumanity. I'm sorry, I must apologize. I was having some technical difficulties. Apparently, I did not pay my cameraman. But please forgive us. But let me get serious now. I guess you were wondering what was missing in my first video. Can you guess? This is funny. I want to stop here today, stop now, and then we will continue. So until then, please be safe. I'll see you next time.